How to get App Store back on your iPhone. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to get the App Store back on your iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. This is really quick and simple, so let's go. So actually right now, here's the App Store. So if you don't press on this, you can actually remove it on your home screen. So let's try removing it, but it will still appear on our app gallery. So for example, here on your app library, as you can see, here's still the Apple App Store. So for example, that it permanently has been removed. So if you want to get it back, what you need to do is to just check your settings. So for example, let's head over to our settings, and from here just scroll down until you reach screen time right here. So from there, you can see this content and privacy restrictions. So in here on the content restrictions, up there you can see the allowed apps and also the iTunes and App Store purchases. So when you click that, you just need to open here your screen time passcode. And once you've done that, as you can see, you can always disallow this. If this is not allowed, then what you need to do is to just allow all of this, and you should be able to get your App Store back. The next thing that you can do is to head over to your app limits. It is just in here on the screen time again. So here it is. So app limits is something that you need to set time limits for apps. So for example, you have reached the time limit for the App Store, then you should be able to use it. But what you need to do is to just remove the app limit on that specific app, and you should be able ready to go. The next thing that you can do is to just click on this downtime right here, because downtime is a scheduled time away from the screen. So just disable this downtime right here, and as you can see, just turn this into gray areas in order to enable it. So if that still doesn't resolve your issue, what you need to do is to just scroll down to reach general, scroll down again until you reach this transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on this reset right here, or you can just erase all content and settings, and you should be able to start anew with a new Apple ID and a new App Store. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to get the App Store back on your iPhone. If you have questions or comments, just put them down below, and make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.